Hey guys, you're welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be making a frock dress or an A-line dress with ruffles, as you may call it. If this is the first time coming across my channel, thank you very much for sticking around. Please do not forget to subscribe and also check my previous videos if you might find something interesting. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. So in this tutorial we're using a plain fabric and a flower fabric, so it's like plain on pattern, and the plain fabric is bridal satin. It's doll face, not mirror face, so it's doll face, while the pattern is silk, and the fabric is about 31 width and the length is 28. So if you fold it, it's 31. Like you can see, the width is 31 while the length is it's already folded, so it's 17, but if it's open is 28. So which is not, like, let's just say 1 yard or less than 1 yard of fabric. But we'll be needing certain measurements for this tutorial. We'll be needing the chest measurements, we'll be needing the waist measurement, we'll be needing the length of the dress measurement, armhole, neck width and neck depth. As you can see, we have the chest measurement, the waist measurement, the shoulder, which is 9, the hip measurement, the armhole depth and width measurement. For the chest measurement is 21. I'll be dividing it by 4, which is 5.25, but I approximated it to 6 plus 2, which is 8. So we'll be marking the shoulder. For the shoulder measurement, it's 9, and 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, and the armhole measurement is 4.5, which will mark 4.5, and then you connect it to the shoulder measurement. So at this line we'll be marking the chest, which is 8 inch. We're marking it 8 inch, and then we'll connect it to the shoulder measurement with a curve. So for the neck width is 2 inch, and the neck depth is 3 inch, and we're not cutting the front and the back separately, we're cutting it together. So then we'll now join a straight line to meet the chest line so it can be flare, and then at the down part we're going to curve it so it will not be straight out. So at the down part we'll curve it a bit. As you can see what I'm doing in this video, we'll not just leave it straight down, and then I'll go ahead and cut it. So after drawing the line to meet up, we'll go ahead and cut it. So for the back of the dress, I would still need to put a slit at the back opening to fix hook at the back opening. So at that, when you fold it into two, I'll just slit it down by 2 inch. I open it down by 2 inch. I didn't open it very well. So then after opening it down, I will need to cut an interface, or it's not even an interface, like a back piece to cover that edge. So as you can see, I've opened it down, so I cut a back piece to cover that edge. So I'll sew it from front facing front, then I'll turn it back so I can curve it at the back, and then I'll go ahead and bias the front and the back together, join the neckline and bias it together. But first of all, you will sew the interface you kept for the back before biasing. So I've gone ahead to bias it, as you can see, and I folded it in. As you can see inside, I biased the neckline, And the next thing I will do is to fix the ruffles. So I'll just fix the ruffles. I've already cut the ruffles down, and the width is 4.5, and the width is 36, the length is 4.5. And then I'll gather it around the dress. I will join the dress and I'll gather it. But first of all, before fixing the ruffle, at that edge I'll fold it in, let's say half an inch or 1 inch. I need to fold it in and sew it straight down, because that will be the hem of the dress. You will hem it first before joining the other edge to fix the ruffle. Then what next I will do is, also as I'm joining the dress to fix the ruffle, I will also need to fix the ruffle for the front piece, as in the off shoulder part. I'll need to fix the same ruffle there. And then I've gone ahead to cut the piece of fabric I'll be using for the ruffle, which is 5 by 60. So I will have to gather the 60 to make it 30, so I can join it to the dress. But first of all, I will have to fold the two edge, because I just want to join the ruffle to it. And you know, since it's off shoulder, we need the other side to be smooth and not looking tacky at the edge of the off shoulder. So to join it, you will need to mark 4 inch from your shoulder to where you need to join it. So for this is a baby dress, this is an adult dress. Adult dress will be different measurement. So we'll just mark 4 inch. We'll mark 4 inch and draw a straight line. So this is what we are going to join to the armhole side, as in we join it at the front and then pass it to the other side at the back. So not only the front will be 4 inch, the back will also be 4 inch. The same straight line you have drawn at the front, you have to draw it at the back too. So the next thing I did was to go and join it as a dress, and this is the finished work. I've actually joined the down ruffles, and I've joined the shoulder, which is going to look like an off shoulder, right? It's looking very pretty. At the back, I just join it together with hook and eye, which you can see to make it look beautiful. So you can join it with a hook and hook it together. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also do not forget to like my video. It helps my YouTube analytics. Also, do not forget to share and comment below if you have any questions concerning this dress. Bye. See you in another video or another tutorial. Maybe the next one I'll be posting will be a vlog. So see you. Bye.